Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Ali Haider, or I will be delivering lecture on data engineering. I have made some 1 to 2 lectures on this data engineering topic, and I see that a lot of people show interest in those lectures. So I wanted to use to make more lectures on this specific topic. Let's dive in. We will see that what is data engineering and how it is different from the data scientist. Previously, a lot of people are studying data scientist, and now the new the field that's emerging in the field of the data world is data engineering. So we will see what data engineers actually do. We will also see that how many tools are there for data engineering to use, and then in the next lectures we will see how we can extract, transform, and load the data for data engineers and data scientists for their use, and data engineering at specific some applications. What is data engineer? You have been hired as a data scientist at a young startup tasked with predicting customer journey. You want to use a fancy machine learning that you have been honing for years. However, after a bit of digging around, you realize all of your data is scattered around many databases. So, additionally, the data resides in tables and that are optimized for applications to run, not for analysis. To make matters worse, a legacy code has caused a lot of data to be corrupt. In your previous company, you do not have this problem because all of the data was available to you in an orderly fashion. You are getting frustrated. In comes the data engineer to the rescue. It is the data engineer's task to make your life as a data scientist easier. Do you need data that comes from several different sources? No problem. The data engineers extract data from these sources and loads it into one simple database ready to use. At the same time, they have optimized the database schemes so it becomes faster to query. They also removed corrupt data. In this sense, the data engineer is one of the most valuable people in the data driven company that wants to scale up. Back in 2015, Data Camps published an infographic on precisely this: who does what in the data science industry. An engineer that develops, constructs, tasks, and maintains architectures such as databases and on large scale processing systems. A lot has changed then, but the definition still hold on. And the data engineer is focused on processing and holding massive amount of data and setting up clusters of machines to do the computing. Typically, the task of data engineer consists of developing a scalable data architectures, streamlining data acquisitions, set up processes to bring together data from several different sources, safeguarding data quality by cleaning up corrupt data. Typically, the data engineer also has a deep understanding of cloud technology. Cloud technology is very important. They generally are experienced using cloud services provided like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Compare this with the task of a data scientist who spend their time mining for patterns in data, applying statistical models on large scale data sets, building predictive models using machine learning, developing tools to monitor essential business processes, or cleaning data by removing statistical outliers. Data scientists typically have a deep understanding of the business itself. So now you have seen that there's a lot of difference between a data scientist and a data engineer. For my Pakistani and Indian viewers, if you want this lecture in Urdu, you can comment so that I can make this video in Urdu too. Take care and best luck for the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.